Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. First, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel down below this video. And let's start. Google have made an announcement for a bunch of updates for its product. So let's talk about this. Google just announced an update for their new LLM and PaLM2, including integration for G Suite tools like Gmail, Docs and more, Bard Google integration, new plugins, multilingual, more than 100 languages, and multimodal experience. Let's dive deeper in each one. So let's start with integration of G Suite tools like Gmail, Docs. Google just wiped out thousands of Chrome extensions in seconds. How? You can now control all Google Suite applications using the Bard, write emails, and edit documents, add to Google Sheets, all from one place. Second, Bard is now integrated in Google. The SEO have been changed forever. Top results for every search will be filled with generative AI answers. Third, new plugins. Going with the trend, Google will now also let you integrate plugins with Bard, joining the likes of Microsoft and GPT-4. Plugins include Instacart, Facecanoot, and OpenTable. And the fourth one, multilingual LLM. Google will now integrate Google Translate into Bard, allowing you to translate language and learn new languages. And also, they are introducing Bard in Japanese and Korean, and we are on track to support top 40 languages soon. Then, multimodal experience benefits: upload videos, drafts, visuals, and images, and ask questions about the content. Example: upload a picture of two dogs and ask Bard for a funny caption, giving you the same multimodal capabilities as GPT-4 but for free. And the question now, is Google now the leader of AI? If not, who is the leader of AI? Comment below to know your answer. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you later. Bye.